So if you don't want to be sick, guys, if you don't want to have headache, if you don't want to have allergies, you need to replace that. Stay with us, we'll explain how. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne. We're talking about this generation here from year 2002 to year 2010. If you guys need to remove or replace cabin air filters, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step, where it's located, where you can get the filter from. We're going to talk where you can buy parts to use at a really good price, quick shipping, guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, that way you don't waste your time and money. Now, before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything from transmissions, engine, bodywork. All that will be on the channels, guys. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. So let's go ahead and explain how to replace that cabin air filter now. So right here, guys, okay, we're going to come on the passenger side, okay, on the passenger side. Now that's the time, if you have anything connected to the here to the outlets, okay, the 12-volt outlets, you need to disconnect it. Okay, we have two things here. Now right there, guys, okay, let me get the camera. Right here you can see there is one screw, okay, which is hard to get to. It's a Torx 20 right there. So we're going to remove that screw now, guys. Okay, working on it now, working. Perfect, screw came out. Now here there is a couple clips, guys. Okay, some might be broken, some might come loose. You can see we're supposed to have a clip that you pull it out that way. Ours, okay, as you can see, guys, somebody broke it and tried to fix it here. Here we recommend, okay, to disconnect your light. Okay, so let me push in and pull it out. Okay, we'll get it out. Now right here, this thing is tied with a zip tie. It shouldn't have a zip tie there. It has a zip tie because the clip is broken, so it doesn't move. Now where is that filter, guys? If you look right here, okay, this thing right there, guys, okay, that's where your cabin air filter should be. So we're going to get a small socket and we're going to start removing those now. So let's go ahead now, okay, and remove these screws, guys, okay. There, we're going to go ahead, remove this one here. Now we have one more on this side. We're using 732s, but probably it's a 5mm. It's very small. Okay, let's see now if we have more screws now. Oh, no, it came out. Perfect. Okay, you can see that's the nasty part here, guys. So let's check this thing out. Oh my goodness, that thing is so plugged up. Wow. Most people will never replace those, and you will pay the price with your own health, guys. Oh my goodness. You can see how black that thing is. And it came out. That was in the car, that's what we were breathing, that's what makes you sick, gives you allergies as well. So this is, guys, the original filter Porsche. You can see probably it hasn't been replaced. If I dig more into it, oh, it's been replaced. Okay, this is a 2012. Okay, 2012. So probably it's a 10-year-old filter. And you can see all that is inside. Okay, check this thing out. That makes you sick. I wanna emphasize how heavy that thing is. Like, it's enormous heaviness, by the way. You can barely lift it up compared to this one, okay, and all that is practically saturated with bad stuff right there. So we're going to vacuum everything that came out, make sure we clean there the cabin air filter tray as well. So let's do that. So we're going to go ahead, okay guys, and we're going to insert a new one. This is the Bosch filter. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from if you need to replace yours. So Let's go ahead. Let me see now. Okay, airflow should go. You can see. Okay, you have the arrow that way that explains which way it should go. So airflow, you can see that way. So all we have to do is push it in now. Okay, make sure it doesn't get stuck. It'll be easier if you don't have the cover here, so you can, guys, guide it the correct way. Okay, let's see if we can get a little bit of room here, and all we have to do is just push it in now. Okay, almost all the way in. Just a little bit on this side now. Okay, let me see. So you can see, guys, okay, eventually it got loose. We're going to go ahead, install the cover now, right here. Okay. And at that point, all we will have to do after that is we will need to go ahead, okay, and get it tight. So give us a little bit of time to position everything. This one goes the other way. I'm not paying any attention. Okay, come on, the three things here, and just get these things tight now. Let me get the screws, store them now. And after that, all we have to do, guys, put everything together in reverse order that we took it apart. One screw is in. Now we're getting the other one. Okay, so that's it, guys. All you have to do, put the other panel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.